I'm starting off with the Becca primer, and it's the First Light Priming Filter Face Primer, and I have that in a sample that I got from Sephora. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and just rub that in. Okay, now we're going into foundation, and I am using the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation by L'Oreal, and I'm in 210 Classic Tan. And I just put a little bit on my hand. I use about that much, and I just rub that in my face. But first, I'm going to spray some of my Fix Plus on my Beauty Blender. I did wash it and wet it, but I just like to do that. And I do like sections at a time with my foundation. And I like to drag it down my neck a little bit. This color is a little bit too dark for me, but it doesn't look like it on camera, but in person it does. But the color up is too light. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm in the color 360. But honestly, I'm going to go back and get a shade up because this is a little too close to my skin tone. It works, but I would like it to be a little bit lighter. So what I do is, since I think that this is a little too close to my skin tone, I take this and then I add a tiny bit of my Maybelline Super Stay concealer and the color medium 40 just to brighten it up a little bit. But first I go in with my Fenty concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline concealer and put a tiny bit on top of that just to brighten it up. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just going to set where I put my concealer. And now I look crazy. And so I just let that sit for a little bit, not too long, probably like a minute. And I'll just use this little Real Techniques brush I've had forever, and I just will dust it off. I like to dust off around my face first, and then I'll wait a little bit before dusting off under my eyes. Now I'll do under my eyes. I have really bad allergies, so my skin is super dry right now, which is annoying because when your face is dry and get little dry patches when you put your makeup on, it's like 10 times more noticeable and you can see it, and the texture is not cute. But luckily for this video, I put a ton of moisturizer on, so I don't see any patches. My foundation actually looks really good right now, pretty flawless, if you ask me. Does anybody else wipe the excess like makeup on their clothes? Shouldn't, but I always do. Okay, now before I do anything else to my face, I'm going to do my eyes. And today I'm going to keep it kind of simple. I want this tutorial to be like a baddie, IG baddie makeup. And when I think of like IG baddies, I always think of like thick winged eyeliner. So I'm debating whether I want to put eyeshadow on and the eyeliner or just the eyeliner. I think I'm just going to do the eyeliner. I've never did like a how to, like showed on the camera how I do my eyeliner because it's kind of difficult, so I'm gonna try today. And what I use to do my eyeliner, I use the Makeup Revolution eyeliner in black, and the tip of it looks like this. So please bear with me. Not working, I'm gonna have to do it off camera, but I really want to try to show how I do it on camera. Let's get my thing back. Okay. So I start off with a little line like that, and then I will do the little wing. I already messed up. Well, let's try to see if we can fix it. One second. Okay, so I fixed that a little bit with concealer, so let's try this again. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I have a little sample, and I'm going to try to darken my wing because that wasn't as, the Makeup Revolution isn't as dark as I want it. I'm surprised it did so good. Don't get me wrong, I do my eyeliner good all the time, but sometimes it takes me a couple of tries, and I haven't did my eyeliner in so long. So I'm glad that it turned out pretty good, my first try on camera. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did my other eye off camera. And now I'm going to start on my face again. I'm going to contour, bronzer, contour, and put blush and highlighter and all of that. First, I'm going to start off with bronzer. And for bronzer, I like to use the Fit Me powder foundation in 360 Mocha. I just take this little brush that I have and so now I'm going to contour. Now I'm taking my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D to contour, and I use the darkest shade. And now I'm going to put blush, and this is the Tarte Amazonian 12 Hour Clay Blush in Party. And I put a little bit on my nose and my chin. I almost forgot to put my ring on. My engagement ring. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Highlight. And I use a Laura Geller highlighter in Golden Honey. I just take this brush, the Morphe brush, and I just apply it. I don't like to go crazy with the highlighter anymore. I just like a subtle glow. Now I know what I was forgetting. I was forgetting to contour my nose, and I use the my Shade and Light palette in the darkest color, and I just take this little brush by Kylie Cosmetics, and I just contour my nose. And it looks crazy right now, but I'm going to blend it out. First, I take my finger and then I use my beauty blender, the bottom of my beauty blender, to blend it in. And that's how I contour my nose. So before I put on mascara, I'm going to use the same eyeliner, Kat Von D, and I like to add little faux moles. I have a mole right here, and I like to darken that, and then I like to add one right here next to my lip. There's that. And one right there. Now I'm going to add my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume in black. I'll probably just fast forward through this because it takes forever to do my mascara. Now I'm going to apply my lips, and I'm going to use the NYX lip liners in brown and in nude beige, and I mix them together. But first I start off with brown, and I just line my lips. Now I take nude beige and I fill it in. Now I don't know if I should leave it matte or if I should add a gloss. I think I'm gonna leave it matte. I'm really feeling that. So now I'm going to spray Fix Plus. And that is the final look, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back, and this is the final look. So this is the final look, and I'm going to be doing more tutorials. I'm going to try to maybe vlog with my family. I just had a baby. He's 6 weeks old now. So I've been a little busy as to why I haven't really been posting. So I want to start posting again. I want to start maybe vlogging with my family. And please subscribe and like for more videos. I will be posting at least twice a week. And yeah, thank you for watching.